If you're trying to read news articles on the official MSN news portal and all you're seeing is blank white tiles, missing stories, or endless loading timeouts, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix for MSN news errors so you can get the site loading properly again. This is a quick troubleshooting guide that can save you a lot of time, especially if MSN news works in one window but breaks in another. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is disable any ad blockers or script tools that may be interfering with MSN news. SN uses a lot of syndicated content, and aggressive extensions can mistake that content for tracking scripts or blocked resources. If you have ad blockers, privacy tools, script managers, or browser protection extensions enabled, turn them off completely for MSN.com. You can usually do this by clicking the extension icon in your browser and disabling it on the site, or by pausing it temporarily while you test the page again. After that, reload the tab and check whether the news tiles and article pages start loading normally. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue because the browser is no longer blocking the parts of the page MSN needs to render correctly. If the problem is still there, the next step is to clear your cache and stale site cookies. Old cookies and saved files can cause broken layouts, loading loops, or content that refuses to appear. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected. If you see any other options related to site data that could affect the browser, you can review those too, but these two are the most important for this fix. Once everything is selected, click Clear Data and give the browser a moment to finish. After that, close the tab completely, reopen MSN News, and try again. A fresh cache and clean cookies often resolve stubborn MSN loading errors right away. If you still see white tiles or timeout messages, it's time to test the site in a private or incognito window. Open a private browsing tab and go directly to the MSN News article or portal page. This test helps you figure out whether the issue is being caused by your browser's saved extensions, your history, or your existing site data. If MSN loads properly in the private window, that is a strong sign that your normal browser profile is the problem, not MSN itself. In that case, you may need to revisit your extensions, clear site data again, or reset the browser's save permissions for MSN. If it still doesn't load in private mode, then the issue may be broader, such as a temporary browser rendering problem or a site-side outage. At that point, try refreshing once more, waiting a few minutes, or testing MSN in another browser to compare the behavior. To summarize the fix, first disable any ad blockers or script tools for MSN.com, then clear your cache hash and cookies, and finally test the site in an incognito window to see whether the page loads normally there. These three steps solve a lot of the most common MSN news error issues without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you get MSN news working again, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.